So now we're going to look at squaring again, but now specifically we're going to look at how to square a number that ends with 25. So in some cases you will see a number and you have to get the square, you have to square it, and if by luck you see that a number ends with 25, there's also like a trick or a shortcut how to square that number. So let's start with even bigger number in this case. So let's say you have 825. So you're supposed to square that number. And you see that the number has 25 at the end. So what do you do? Like, the easy thing is, we know that 25 squared is 625. So in reality, 625 will become the last, will be part of the answer, but at the end, okay? Now, after doing this one, we are going to take 8 alone, square 8. So then the next step would be to square 8 alone, and we know 8 squared is 64. Okay? Second step, we are going to take that 8 multiplied by half, which gives you 4. So we are going to add that 4 to 64, so it gives you 68. Second step is going to be the product, the sum. You multiply then the sum, which is 68, by 10, which gives you 680. And then you bring 625 here, 625. That is what becomes your answer. Okay? So that was full of steps. So step 1, square 8. Step 2, square 25 alone. So you have 25 squared, which is always 625. Then square 8, you have 64. Then take 8 multiplied by half, gives you 4, and then add, and then multiply by 10, the sum here. And that makes the first part of the answer. And then you have. So let's try another one, B. Say 125 squared. When you get 125 squared, this is the same. So we are going to square 25, gives you 625, because that one is given, you know from your head. I would say that is step 1. So step 2, we are going to say what is 1 squared? We have 1. Step 3, we are going to subtract, divide 1 by 2, 1 multiplied by half. So we have here 0.5. So the value you have here, the sum here is 1.5. Now if you multiply this one by 10, so that one gives you 15. So then you bring that one down here, 625. Calculation becomes easier and easier and easier. Okay? Just by, if you know how this one works, you have the answer easily. And this is just how to square numbers, and you have these shortcuts that you need to effectively work your calculations. Okay, so with those 2 examples, I believe you can try several other questions, especially with the numbers that end with 25. Okay, and yeah, wish you the best in mathematics. Thank you so much.